In this video, we're going to show how to assemble the GK Ergo lift cart. Right now, we have the top surface of a lift cart upside down on top of a different GK work cart. And the reason why we're using a lift cart for the assembly is so that way we have the height adjustability for the different parts of the assembly that are high and low. Just makes it a little bit easier on the assembler, but if you don't have that, no problem. You can still do the assembly on a normal table. The first things that we're going to do are install these legs. The lifting columns are one on each side. We're going to use a 6mm bolt to install those. The electrical is already going to be housed inside of this central channel. So on both sides, you're going to see our connectors for each of the legs. So right here, we're going to take this, plug in our electrical, angle a little bit downward as we slide this in, drop it right into place. On this side, we're going to take the electrical, plug it in, angle downward, just like that, drop it into place. We're going to take our M6 bolts, get them started on every location. There's going to be 4 bolts per leg on this top portion. Once we have those bolts set in place, then we're going to take our legs, our feet right here. These are going to connect on the bottom side of our lifting columns. So there's going to be a sleeve. We're just going to drop this one right in, just like that. Same thing on this side. Drop it down. There's going to be 4 M6 bolts on the bottom of these as well. Once we have these feet installed onto the lifting columns, we can come through and tighten up all the bolts. We're going to install our left to right support channel right here. Once all the bolts are nice and secure, you're ready to flip your Ergo lift cart back over onto its feet. And this really is a 2-person job. We recommend always having 2 people for that flipping process. These units are relatively heavy for 1 person, so make sure you get some help. But once you have all that set, you're good to go, and we hope you enjoy your Ergo lift cart.